aerial survey operations in areas with large terrain elevation differences. Ordinary UAVs use fixed altitude flight. It is difficult to guarantee both the image quality and the flight overlap. It is difficult to ensure that the accuracy of the model is uniformly qualified. The terrain of Malcolm has a height difference of about 1,400 meters. In order to ensure the overlap between the bottom of the mountain and the summit, the Xinium 3D field team uses a large hexacopter drone equipped with LiDAR for terrestrial flight. Maintain a constant height difference between the aircraft and the target object. The elevation points extracted from the acquired point cloud data are more accurate compared with the image collection data. The elevation points under the trees and grass can also be obtained. The accuracy can be controlled at about 10 mm. The long-range LiDAR has high efficiency and low risk. It has a great effect on mountainous undulating areas.